What's going on, my tapped out auto fans? Yep, it is back to black. I don't know why the paint is doing that. But yeah, went to try to buy another couple of cans of that, John Deere yellow spray paint, and it went from $7 a can to $15 a can. Went to the same exact page that I bought the can and everything. And yeah, and guys, in reality, I ain't gonna have the damn money to give that car a nice paint job and stuff. So I just did the noble thing and went down and got some dollar store spray paint and spraying it. Only thing I could do, guys. I've been trying my ass off this year to try to get something going, and just messaged everybody to ask them how I did on their cars, and everybody tells me and stuff. No problems. And my computer is shot out. I don't know what's going on with it, but I have that mini clip editing deal free with the computer, and I'm not making any money and stuff like that to be able to afford, uh, all the fancy stuff all these other YouTubers got. And I tried to get sponsors now since we're over 1,000 subscribers. A lot of people and stuff. I guess these people and stuff like pre-watch. All these major companies must pre-watch my videos. They must get on here and pre-watch my videos and know who I am. Because guys, I'm not kidding you. I have called every place. Every place is imaginable. I called them. Like when we had that van here. Um, I called. The hell is that damn place? Everybody uses it stuff. Super Clean. I called Super Clean. Told them, hey, I might need some sponsorship and stuff like that. We're gonna need about 5 gallons of Super Clean. That's when I really didn't know how bad the band was until the last day and stuff. When the sun came out, I went out there and looked at it. And it was like, thing ain't worth putting $18,000 into that. But Super Clean told me that they don't sponsor YouTubers. I had called. I was looking for an engine for that van, and I wanted the Pacific engine. There's one engine that starts with an A, or it's not an engine that starts with A. There's a engine builder that starts with an A. Jags uses them, but they're crappy. So Jags does have a factory replacement GM short block, and that's why initially at the end, said that's what we need to put in it. But I called Smitty Racing. They told me that they don't know what I'm talking about sponsorship and stuff like that. And I called everybody, guys, like everybody, every single body told me that they don't sponsor no YouTubers. That YouTubers get a discount for advertising their product on there, but YouTubers don't get nothing for free, and the discount is only like 10%. I haven't called Monster Transmissions because for some reason a first gen 4L60E is held to fine. Especially, I couldn't find anybody to rebuild that transmission up here. So the only place that I could find was Monster Transmissions had one with the torque converter brand new for $2,000. That seems pretty cheap to me. I mean, $2,000 for a brand new transmission and stock torque converter. I guess, with free shipping. So I called them up and stuff like that, and two different numbers. I called them up and stuff and told them that I've seen their products on, YouTubers and stuff advertising it. And, because, guys, I was trying to get this van where we can probably put it on the channel. $18,000 was a lot of money and stuff like that to to sink into this van. So I was trying to get as cheap as I can for this guy, and maybe we can bring it to the channel. Again, Monster Transmissions, as soon as I said that, the guy didn't want to talk to me no more or anything. So I called the other number. There was 2 different numbers. I called the other number, and I got that paperwork somewhere. I called the other guy, and another guy answered, a whole different guy. And he was like, we don't understand this. We get so many calls a day. No, we're not giving out free transmissions. And I didn't say this. I did not mention this guy's name at all. But how I seen Monster Transmissions and know of them is, I've heard of them. Never used their products or never seen nobody. But Randy from Auto Auction Rebuilds, he has advertised their transmissions. And I'm like, the first one was junk. Second one's supposed to be good, but it's supposed to have been his fault. So, let's just try it. The heck with it. Let's try it. So I called him up and stuff like that. The dude was just like, no, we get so many calls every day because of that damn YouTube channel with that Randy guy on there. And I'm like, you talking about Auto Auction Rebuilds? He's like, yeah, that one. And I guess people blow their phones up trying to get sponsorship and stuff like that because they see it on his channel. And it's like, dude, I don't know. As far as I know and stuff, all these YouTubers tell me and stuff that all these companies call them and send them stuff and everything. I call bullshit because there ain't guys, I must have called 15 different companies, and half of those I didn't even see on YouTube, but it was like, what the hell, And every single one of them companies, everyone, all the way down to the damn earphone, the ear things, Raycon, every single one of them told me that they do not give any type of sponsorships to YouTubers. All of them, every single one of them told me that the only thing that they do is give a discount, and that's it. That's what the promotion code is for, to tell them and stuff like that how many people use this promotion code for that channel, and that's what kind of discount they get off of. They said that some people, yes, they build up enough credits that they might get a free box of goodies, but they do not give away free products of any kind, or free parts, or free motors, or free transmissions, or anything. So not unless these guys are pre-watching my YouTube channel and seeing my toothless ass and going, nope, no, y'all all fucking liars. If I'm a liar, prove it to me. I've had so many YouTubers say, oh, they gave me all kinds of, I've gotten companies, they just give me all kinds of shit. I've had probably 10 YouTubers tell me this. Email me, message me this, and tell me, no. As soon as you hit over 1,000 subscribers, that's when these people start contacting you and stuff like that, because you're getting to the point where you're being monetized. No. And I still have not seen one damn YouTuber yet prove me wrong. Every one of you stuff tells me and stuff, oh, I'm going to make a video of all the stuff that all these people gave me. 2 months. I gave these people at least 2 months, if not more than that, to make a video and promote this, because I figured, okay, you're going to get a product in that a company sends you. Well, you're going to give it at least a month or 2 months to try that product out before you're going to put it on your YouTube channel to promote it. Well, if you're a big name YouTuber, if you're small like me and, not making no money off your YouTube channel, then my thought would be is you're going to be on here promoting these products, because those products are going to get you more views and more subscribers. So if people that have millions of subscribers has all this product and stuff, they are not going to advertisement as fast because they've already got hundreds of thousands of subscribers. They're not going to take in, do all that rigmarole. But if you're little like me and just starting out, no, I'm not going to. It's like this right here. You ain't gonna tell me that if Milwaukee sends you this, you're not gonna use it for a month and say, this right here is the best damn racket wrench that Milwaukee ever made. Or the worst Milwaukee racket wrench, or battery operated ratchet that Milwaukee's ever made. You're not. You're gonna if Milwaukee sends you this, you're gonna make a video, and like I say, you might use it for a couple of weeks, maybe a month, being generous. But being a little YouTuber like me, you're gonna be on that damn phone with a smile, promoting that. Look, they get it. No, you're full of shit, all of you. If not, prove me wrong, because I called every single one of them damn companies that y'all flab y'all's mouth on, that y'all get Raycon, Super Clean, PB Blaster, Smitty Racing, Monster Transmission, where the hell is that other one? Even Lucas. And all of them tell me that these YouTubers are full of shit. Every one of them. So, I don't know, I just don't know, guys. I really don't. And as far as the shop's going, I just messaged everyone that I just did work for 2 weeks ago. We had a hell of a weekend run. I try to call people to ask them, how much would you charge to come to my house and fix my computer? Most of them tell me, I'm sorry, but we can't, we're not going to go to your house and fix your computer. You can bring it to our shop. And it's like, in a way, I don't want to do that, but, I can kind of understand. But then it's like, well, how much would you charge me just to look at my computer? $200. It's either that or you get some damn dumbass that claims he knows what he's damn doing. No, it's insane. Yeah, the cheapest person that I could come out here to tell me what's wrong with my computer wants $200. All the cars and stuff like that I fixed, I just messaged all the customers and stuff like that and everything. And everything is fine. But I live in a place that nobody talks to each other. Yeah, nobody. I mean, the work that we did that weekend and stuff, we should have a whole field full of cars. Honestly, we should have a whole field full of cars. I saved one guy like $4,000. Saved another girl probably another, $3,000. Saved the guy on the van 20 G's. At least $20,000 on that van. And still, nothing. Like nothing. I don't get it. And what I do see, though, is I see a lot of damn mechanic shops screwing people's cars up, and people taking the cars right back to the people that they screwed the cars up and paying them more money. And their cars are still screwed up. So, I don't know. Everybody's telling me, you need to get an LLC, and you need to do this. If I had enough revenue and enough cars, yeah, guys, I would open this stuff up, no problem, legit. But to me, we're not nowhere near. No, I mean, seriously, we're nowhere near the money to, even in the state of Michigan, would even remotely say, okay, you're a business. Like, we're not. I mean, basically what we're doing now is tips. I mean, that's exactly what we're making now is tips. I'm trying to get my foot in the door and stuff like that, which I figure I have no problems, but that's what's going on now, guys. I mean, that's seriously what's going on. No, I don't got no help from nobody. My, where I live at and stuff like that, a majority of the people here raise their kids dumb. No, guys, I'm not exaggerating of this, nothing else. I love my girl. We've been together for over 11 years. I love her to death. But literally, like, her mom and stuff like that literally told her that she doesn't need to go to computer class. Like, she doesn't need to learn computers. She doesn't need to learn life or nothing. That's why my girl is 52 years old and stuck working at a gas station. It's because of her parents. Well, mainly her mom. And that's how it is to this day up here. It's insane, guys. It's totally just bad. Like, bad, bad. And, I don't want my grandkids and stuff to at all think that they have to go through this bullshit that they do up here to have a life. That's just wrong. But decided to get on here. It's been a long time since I made a rant video and stuff like that. I know fucking Randy, speaking of Randy from Auto Watch and Rebuilds, I do watch his channel pretty frequently. And it's just funny how that guy whines and stuff like that. Oh, poor me, everything's so bad. The state fined me $24,000. I'm so broke. I'm so in poverty and stuff like that. I don't know how I'm going to pay for this and stuff. And then the next thing you hear him say is, I'm going to go ahead and pay the $24,000. I'm just going to pay it up. Everything's going to be good. Really? Dude, shut up. Shut the fuck up, as you would say. Your ass is fucking sitting on this goddamn platform, blah, 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 blah. I'm so poor, I can't afford shit. But you're fucking sinking what? $50,000, $60,000 into your uncle's house. You just bought 3 brand new vehicles, or 2 brand new vehicles, and you're paying $24,000 to the state, on top of paying for all the money to get legal to sell your cars to the public. You're a good guy, Randy, but fuck you and your fucking whining. I mean, damn. You wonder why your channel's dropping off. Well, people are tired of you fucking saying that you're poor and you're in poverty. And then the next fucking thing you say is, I'm just going to pay the $24,000 and all my properties are paid for and I have no loans on any of the stuff that I have. Shut up. Man, you want to fucking actually be stressed out? You really want to know how it is to live in shit? Be me. Huh? Be me. Try to fucking do the best you can to help people so they don't get screwed over. Help people get their cars back on the road so they can go feed their families and shit like that. And the only thing you get is spit on. Try that. That's probably one of the things that's drawing me off of his channel is shit like that. And it's not just his shit. It's other YouTubers crying and whining. Motherfuckers, y'all got over 100,000 plus subscribers. Shut up. Damn. I mean, I really wanted this car to be John Deere yellow with John Deere green ground effects. And you would think and stuff like that, with all the bullshit that I see on YouTube, you would think maybe I can get somebody to give me that 1%. Nope. And what drives me nuts the most is a car being 3 or 4 different colors. That just drives me nuts, guys. It always has. I don't know why. But since I have came to the realization, all these people that I called at least told me that they don't sponsor YouTubers. They don't do shit for nothing. They just give discounts and stuff like that. John Deere pretty much told me to F off, fuck off. That's pretty much what John Deere told me. So it's like, I'm never going to be able to afford that. So why? And then you got somebody on here like Randy bitching and crying on fucking YouTube. It's insane. But yeah, I'm hoping something else happens, guys. I mean, I really wanted this car to be something great, but I'm never going to get rid of it. So I guess it is what it is. I mean, you can tell that it's